My laboratory studies disorders that affect the normal functioning of the peripheral nervous system. Our nerves innervate the entire body, and they are coated by a substance called myelin. This is a fatty covering of the nerves, and it's very important for the normal functioning of the nervous system. In diseases that we study, this coating breaks down, and patients experience a lot of pain, numbness. In some cases, they have severe muscle atrophy. These diseases affect the quality of life for many individuals. As of today, we do not have any therapies for patients who are affected by peripheral neuropathies. The focus of my laboratory is to help provide novel information to come up with therapies for patients affected by neuropathies. We work on traditional pharmacological approaches, and also we explore possibilities for a dietary modulation of these disorders. Initially, it was my father. As a small child, I had a microscope, I also had a telescope, and I always wanted to understand how everything works. Later on in my career, I was very fortunate to have outstanding mentors who helped me define what I wanted to study once I had my own laboratory. I love being outside when I'm not at work. My favorite thing is to plant flowers, work in my garden, and I also like to go on hikes. I surely enjoy living in Nevada and enjoy exploring the mountains and the scenery.